Shadow's a whole new kitty. She's so cute. Shadow. Oh, you're upstairs. So to start with pilling, we just gave her a little bit in tuna. That's what I did today because she was real feisty the first 2 days, but now she's super sweet. Come down and see me. Want some love? I can't give you no love. I can't reach you. You want to say hi, Mammers? Who's a good girl? Oh, he's cute. Come on down. She loves this little bed we loaned her. Or did you buy it? I can't remember. But anyway, she loves it. If you didn't buy it, get one because it's way better than a carrier because they get all victim-y in a carrier. You're tough to start. She was that little red dot, but she's almost green. She's almost ready to be played with by everybody. Hi. Hi. If I could reach you, it'd be a lot easier. She's so cute. So she's way up high. She's lovey, lovey, lovey. We love her. She's darling. Doing good. Let's check the poops and pees and things. Okay, so she pooped already and she peed and all is well. That's for this morning. She's a good girl. Kitty meow. She's looking up. She's going to make it to the skybox in a minute. And I'll take that cover off too, I think tomorrow. Just give her one more day of privacy.